How to invite friends on FIFA 23. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to launch your FIFA mobile application, and this is what it looks like. So it's the same thing with if you want to play FIFA online with your friends. You just have to go to this two people at the top right corner and then look for that friend's name here. And all you have to do is to click match and wait for them to accept that in order for you to play together or match together. Versus or one-on-one, you just have to tap this match and wait for them to accept that. So that's how you invite your friends here in FIFA Mobile. Now, if that friend is not yet on your friends list, all you have to do is to search their names and you just have to tap this person icon here with a plus button and then click magnifying glass, search their username or name. Then there will be tons of people you will see here, and all you have to do is to click their name. Tap add as a friend and then click send request. And then they will be notified that you have sent a request to them. They will accept that. And then after that, you can see this match button here will be available. And all you have to do is to tap that one and wait for them to accept that. Accept your invitation. And then after that, you can play versus with your friend. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.